Thank you for choosing to learn more about health topics that are important to your overall health. Geisinger Gold has added even more opportunities for you to receive rewards. In addition to earning rewards for your physical health screenings, we have created a program with specific topics to optimize your overall health. To view eligible activities and earn your rewards, visit go.geisinger.org/gold online and either sign in or create an account. If you need to create an account, you'll need your member ID number that can be found on your Geisinger Gold insurance card. When you first log in, you will be directed to the home page. This page provides many options to learn more about how to better your health. To access your rewards, click Medicare Rewards at the top of the page. This page will show you both available programs. In addition to the rewardable healthy activities, certain physical health screening rewards are available. In physical health screenings, you can receive rewards for completing certain preventive screenings. Click View Rewards to see all preventive screenings available. After clicking View Rewards, you will see all Gold member incentives such as mammogram, certain colon cancer screenings, osteoporosis screenings for female members who have had a recent fracture, or diabetic screenings for members who have been diagnosed with diabetes. Talk with your doctor to determine which screenings are right for you. Once you are done reviewing your physical health screenings, you can navigate back to the main program page by clicking Programs at the top of the page and then selecting which program you would like to access. Let's take a look at the new healthy activities available to you. Click View Rewards. You will receive $10 for each healthy activity topic you report complete, giving you the opportunity to earn up to $40. Health topics include urinary incontinence, fall risk, physical activity, and flu education. Click the activity you are interested in learning more about. Because you haven't started yet, you'll see that your current activity shows 0% complete. This status bar is a great way to check how far you are toward completing your healthy activity. Continue to the healthy activity by clicking Earning Details. The Earning Details window will expand so you can press Click here to take your next action. On this screen, press Click here in Step 1 to access the article or video. A message will pop up on your screen letting you know the activity will open on a Geisinger website. Click Continue to move forward. The activity will open in a different screen. For example, this healthy activity for physical fitness will open a copy of the Circle magazine. You can download or save all activities for the ability access later. Once you have reviewed the education, go back to your wellness portal. Click Report Completion and save. You can confirm you completed the activity by looking for the completion date after clicking Save. To complete the other healthy activities, click View Details. Then click Return to the Healthy Activities Program lobby page. You can confirm you have completed your healthy activity by checking the completion circle. This will reach 100% once you have completed all 4 activities. Rewards are issued at the end of each month. For example, if you complete 2 of the 4 rewardable healthy activities within the month, you will receive a $20 gift card. It can take up to 6 weeks to receive your reward. If you have any questions about completing your healthy activities or physical health screenings, call 888-432-8751, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Our team members are happy to help. You can check your gift card's balance or transaction history by calling 888-537-5503. Thank you for being a Geisinger Gold member and taking steps to better health.